Today we are here to honour Hertz, a retired military working dog who's been awarded the PDSA Dickin Medal. Hertz has received the PDSA Dickin Medal in recognition of the work that he did in Afghanistan from 2013 to 2014. He was trained specifically to answer a threat that was recognised in theatre, that of the insider threat and the potential danger posed by people being on camp and being able to pass messages via electronic means to people on the outside. So when he was in Afghanistan, was responsible for over 50 individual finds, and amongst those finds was over 100 items of potentially dangerous kit. For any dog to receive the PDSA Dickin Medal is a huge thing. PDSA don't hand out the Dickin Medal on a whim. They consider all the merits of every case and then they make a decision based on those. For a dog that I've trained and handled in theatre and put to use, to receive the PDSA Dickin Medal is a massive thing. My name's not on the medal. The medal is associated with Hertz, and quite rightly, he's the one that did all the work. He's the one that found all the things that he found, and he deserves all the plaudits. But I can look back on today, on our time when we were working together. I'll look back at the photographs and the video and all the newspaper clippings and know that I played a part in that, and I think that I can be and I am very proud of what we as a team achieved.
I'd now like to invite Hertz, accompanied by Warrant Officer Jonathan Tanner and Corporal Simon Dack, to the stage to receive the PDSA Dickin Medal.